Welcome to another episode of Quick Clean Eats. On today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to make a non-flip omelet. That, you heard me right, the easiest omelet you can make at home. If you're afraid of flipping omelets, watch this video and you'll see how easy it is to make a perfect omelet in your house. Stay tuned. Alright, so we're over here by the stove. What you're going to do first is take your pan, put it on high heat. The oven is already set to broil. This is something real crucial to make the non-flip omelet. So you turn your oven on to broil high, have it already preheated before you even start your omelet. So my pan's already been heated for a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit of spray. I'm only going to use pan spray to keep it nice and healthy. So I let that heat up just a little bit. I'm going to add my turkey bacon. I'm going to add my peppers, about a teaspoon of kosher salt. I'm going to saute that. I'm going to cook this for about 1 minute. Now I'm going to add my egg whites with my 1 yolk. Here's where it becomes really crucial. So you're going to take your spatula and run around the edges of the pan, pushing down the egg towards the center. You want to make sure you get that egg moving nice and soft. Omelets, sometimes they become really dry because the egg is not being moved around fast enough. So it's sitting up, it's becoming really dry and almost like that crunchy egg. If you ever get an omelet like at Denny's or one of those places where they're over dried out, that's the reason why. So as you can see, it's already becoming nice and fluffy. Now I'm just going to shake my pan. Now I'm going to scrape down the edges. I'm going to put my 2 slices of cheese on top, and I'm just going to throw it in the broil. Right, now it's been pulled out of the broil. You can see how the cheese is melted on top, nicely cooked through. Now it's time to flip it out. All right, so to flip it out, all you're going to do is take your spatula, bend it over in half, top half down, exactly this way. Then you're going to scoot your pan down. You're almost going to see it coming off the edge right there, as you can see. Now, as soon as it's off the edge, all you're going to do is roll your pan over, and there you go, a perfect omelet. So that's it. This is how you make the non-flip omelet. Very easy, very fast. I hope you guys like this video. It's still my favorite meal of the day, and it always has been, breakfast. Hope to see you guys next week. As always, a new video drops every Tuesday and every Saturday at 7 a.m. Please feel free to leave me any comments, any feedback, any suggestions for a future video. I'm always looking for brand new ideas. As always, follow me at chefjesseq on Instagram. See you guys next week. Take it easy. Bye.